Sonny, come here. Shall we hide Gromit? Shall we hide Gromit? You sit on the sofa. You go on the sofa. Right, and you stay there and Mummy hide Gromit. You stay there. That's good. Right. You stay there. Stay. Stay. Mummy hide Gromit. You stay there. You stay there. You stay there. Okay, where's Gromit? Oh, where's Gromit? Where's Gromit? Where's Gromit? Oh, do you want Mummy to hide Gromit for you? Yes? You stay there then. Mummy hide Gromit. That's it. You stay there. Stay. Stay there. You stay there. Mummy hide. Stay there. You stay. Stay there. Okay, where's Gromit? Where's Gromit gone? Oh. Where's Gromit? That's good, isn't it? That's funny.